Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be on how I style my box braids. And yeah, so as you can see, you can either wear your hair down, and I parted it to the side because you can wear it like that too. So now I'm gonna get a scrunchie, and I'm taking the two parts of my hair in the front, and I'm going to wrap it around my hair, and I'm going to use a scrunchie to secure it. And that's that. As you can see, it's still very nice. It's still nice, sort of messy. It's not like too neat, and I really do like that. So I'm taking the two sections in the front again, and I'm actually going to put it forward, and I'm going to use my scrunchie again, and I'm going to secure it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just wrap it round to make a top bun, or like a donut bun, or however you know it. So yep, as you can see, I'm just wrapping it round. I love this hairstyle so much. Obviously you can still use a bobby pin to secure it, but it usually works for me like this. And you have the hair out at the back, which is lovely. So now I'm taking it out. I don't like to do this hairstyle too much because it can just weigh your head down, because these are like quite big box braids and they're long. So yeah, but I still love it. And again, I'm taking the front section, but this time, so starting from the left, I'm gonna wrap my braids at the front away from my face. So just twisting it and wrapping it away from my face, and I'm going to bring it round and use the other side to almost like secure it. And then I'm going to basically tie it into a knot. So you know, like you're tying a shoelace, I'm just tying it into a knot, and then I'm going to use my scrunchie to secure it. I love this hairstyle so much. I actually really love wearing this hairstyle when I have dresses on. I don't know why, but it just looks amazing. And like I said, with the goddess braids, it just brings it up to about a 10 in terms of hairstyle. It's just so beautiful. So then I'm going to start plaiting one half of I'm going to start plaiting both sides. I'm just going to put it into a plait, and then as you're going to see, I'm just going to wrap it round so it almost looks like a crown braid, but it's not a crown braid, but it just looks like a very messy, you know, braid. I really like this hairstyle. I think it's so lovely. When you turn to the side, oh, everyone's like, oh my god, she's got a braid on a braid. It's just really nice. You know, the little details really do make such a difference. It's just really nice. It really is. Then I'm going to use my Silk Star scarf, almost like a shoelace, and I'm going to just wrap my braids up all the way up. Make sure you secure it because it can slip. And then I'm going to bring it up out of my face. You can wear it like this if you want, to the sides. Really amazing. I've got a lot of braids in, so the only time I usually do that is when I'm taking like a really nice picture and stuff like that. But I don't think I can wear it all day with the amount of braids that I currently have, and also the size. But I do think you could rock it with smaller braids, but I will do another tutorial on that when I get smaller braids, if you guys want it. And as you can see, I'm just wrapping it around into a massive bun. This is literally, yeah, the OGs of hairstyles. When you have braids, like, you just always have to put your hair up in one. It's just so beautiful and elegant. And as you can see, again, very messy, but I love it. I even love the fact that my silk scarf is even poking out at the left hand side. I just love it. It's really nice. So then I'm going to take the two again, 2 front sections, guys. The 2 front sections of your hair is really vital, you know, when styling. I use it quite a lot. But yeah, so I'm basically creating space buns. Now, I'm not going to lie, the first time I did this, I was like, what am I doing? But yeah, like, it turns out really lovely. I would wear this obviously in pictures, I'd wear this out. I've been wearing this hairstyle to a lot of festivals, even on the weekend. I think it's really cute. It's really childish, but it's really, really cute, especially when your face is beat. You don't have to wear makeup with this hairstyle, but I think it really does make a difference, you know. But I love it. I wear it literally just like this, and I leave the back out. Now I'm using the silk scarf again, and I'm gonna start from the back, and then I'm gonna wrap at the front of my hair. So I'm not going to tie the knot, but I'm just going to wrap it twice. Pull, and then back again at the back, and then I'm just tying a knot to secure it so it doesn't unravel. Obviously it's silk, you can use any sort of scarf. I think I will do another video on that, so you guys can kind of see the vision. But yeah, I think this is so cute, it's so lovely, it's just so effortless. It's a great way to get the braids out of your face and still look really nice. Beautiful, this one. Definitely one of my favorite braided hairstyles, for sure. Unfortunately, my file got deleted, the camera died, but I thought I needed just to get this in. I literally just tied, I'm literally just wiping away any like build up and stuff, but I literally just tied a knot and put my hair back in one. Still, I love this hairstyle so much. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Which style is your favorite? Let me know. Remember to like this video, I'd appreciate it, and make sure you are subscribed. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye guys.